Welcome back, people. Today we'll be doing some chicken wings in the oven. If you have chicken wings with the tips on, just cut them off. Yes, it'll be a very hard thing to do, but put them in a pan and pour some sauce on, waiting for it to be happening. Oh, how do I make the sauce? Good point. I got you covered. Unfortunately, with some sauce. Yeah, what I am doing is half of the package of rings in sweet and sour, and the other with honey garlic. For the honey garlic, I like to do 1 cup of honey, half a cup of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup, plus a good heaping full of garlic powder. Pretty much put both in a pot that it being brought up to a boil, and then let it get thick with the sweet and sour, a 1/4 cup of ketchup, soy sauce, and apple cider vinegar each, with a tablespoon of cornstarch, and hopefully stir it together with a tablespoon or 2 of honey until that gets pretty thickened out as well, and pour it on the wings. I like to bake mine at 375 for at least an hour and a half, just to be on the safe side, just to be until they get up to an internal temperature of about 170 to 175, which to me is better than the bare minimum of 165. So 170